In this video, I'll be showing you how to use auto clicker on an Android phone. It's the best method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the best way to use an auto clicker device is by using a reputable third-party application from the Play Store. So what you want to do is go over to your Play Store, go to search on the bottom, and then we'll just type in auto clicker. Now, once you type it in, you're going to see a lot of different ones. So just go on one that has really good reviews. For example, this one has 4.8 stars out of 5, which is obviously really good. So we just want to go ahead and download and install it. It does it very quickly. And then just go ahead and open it up. Now, it might ask you for any permissions and stuff like that. If there's any ads, you can just go ahead and close them. And obviously just choose your default language, press the check mark, and then you have a few different things. You can do 1-point mode, which taps a single position repeatedly at specified intervals, or I can do multi-point mode where I can set a series of taps or swipes in different positions. So for simplicity and the sake of this tutorial, we'll just do 1-point mode, and then all you've got to do is press allow. So go ahead and press next again, and then press allow. So what we're going to do is scroll down in accessibility, go to installed apps, and then go to auto clicker, then turn it on. It's going to say allow right there. And then all you got to do is press allow again. Then it's going to say stop optimizing battery usage, press allow again. You don't need notifications. Then go ahead and press start. Then you can choose the interval. So we'll just do 100 milliseconds. We can position this wherever we want. On the right, you're going to see that little play button. Go ahead and play that. And that's it. It's going to be clicking non-stop. If I ever want to stop it on the top, I can pause it or I can stop it entirely. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.